What's good, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bellamicia and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. And you guys, my hair needed this. It needed this. Oh, my hair has been thinning so much because of the stress of school and just, you know, the winter weather and just me neglecting to deep condition my hair. So because I've been slacking, the deep conditioners that I normally use are not really doing it for me. So recently I went to the store and searched for something a little bit more heavy duty, you know, something that's gonna repair my hair if I don't use it as often as I should. When you notice that your hair is not in its best state, it's our job to take care of it, to find something to repair it. Don't wait until the last minute until you have no hair on your head. So yes, your girl went to the store, she bought this mask. I never really seen anyone use it, so I tried it out. You know, and if you guys want to see how it acted in my hair and just what I think about it, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so my hair has already been washed, shampooed, conditioned, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out this t-shirt so you guys can see what I'm working with. My hair has grown so much, you guys. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some water because it is definitely dry and I don't want to start applying my deep conditioner to dry hair. Alright, so what I like to do when I deep condition, just to ensure all of my hair strands are covered with the deep conditioner, is I like to take my time, okay? I know a lot of people, they just, you know, take it and slap it on their hair, but me, honey, I want to get my money's worth. So what I like to do is just section my hair into smaller sections just to ensure that each strand of my hair is getting coated with the deep conditioner. Alright, I'm just gonna open this baby up. Hallelujah. Wow. This smells amazing. Alright, so you know we don't want to waste any product, okay? So we're just gonna take some off the lid. This was $20, so I definitely do not want to waste this. So start from the bottom and just work your way up. And because like the front of my hair is like thinning, I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, look at this. You can tell some hair strands are missing here. Like, what happened to it? It's thinning. So I'm just gonna take some of this lovely silky deep conditioner and just generously apply it to that part of my hair, the part of my hair that is weak and brittle and breaking. And I take a little bit more and just start separating the section and raking my fingers through my hair. Raking is just, you know, detangling your hair strands just to make sure that every strand is coated with the deep conditioner. This is the time where you actually want to use a lot of product. Be sure to grab some deep conditioner and just literally rake it through your hair. Okay, beauties, so I am finished applying all the deep conditioner to my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this deep conditioner in my hair for, actually, let me look at the instructions. Leave in for up to 7 minutes. There's a reason, okay, why they tell you to keep it in for that amount of time. We don't know what other long-term effects that's gonna happen to your hair, okay? And we don't want to chance it. No heat necessary? Say word. It's rare that you come across a deep conditioner that you don't have to use heat with, but no heat necessary. Okay, we just gonna sit here and let this deep conditioner do its thing for 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash this out my hair and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I just finished rinsing the deep conditioner out my hair. I got these alligator clips here just so the water won't be dripping all in my face. But do you guys see what my hair looks like? Wow. You would have thought like I put some product in there, but this is how my hair is looking without any product, you guys. It is so soft and so hydrated. Like, look at that. Look how pretty my curls look. Wow, this deep conditioner really makes your curls pop. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like with no product. Like, my hair just feels like there's no dry strand in my hair right now. Like, every strand is just so hydrated and like moisturized and like defined, honey. You see that? So this is what my hair looks like with products in it after deep conditioning with the macadamia deep repair mask, and what a difference a good deep conditioner can make to your hair. It is just like living its best life. Yes! Alright, so I just wanted to quickly give you guys my final thoughts about this deep conditioner right here. Okay, I loved it. This product is bomb, y'all. I don't really have anything negative to say about it other than the price is kind of expensive because this was $20, but this is actually a good size tub. It's 16 ounces. Honestly, a little bit definitely goes a long way. I feel like this is a good investment for your hair. It's just so creamy and hydrating. It's like, why don't more people know about this? I feel like I want to shout it from the rooftops. When I was putting it in my hair immediately felt soft. It felt moisturized. You don't have to apply so much and wonder if it's working. Like immediately upon it touching my hair, like I noticed the difference. Like I noticed a big difference with my hair, and normally you have to wait a while before you can see that. Another thing that I loved about this deep conditioner is that you do not have to apply heat, you guys. Where they do that at? I felt like this deep conditioner did what it was supposed to do and above. So on a scale from 1 through 10, I think I'm gonna give this deep conditioner a 10, you guys. This is one of them luxurious deep conditioners that you keep in your arsenal when you're trying to like pamper yourself, you know what I mean? When you're trying to give your hair that pick me up, like it's thirsty, it's dying, and you need to bring it back to life. And the smell, it smells like a tropical like nut. It smells like a vacation. So overall, I would definitely recommend this deep conditioner. If you guys can get your hands on this, let me know how it performs in your hair. And if you tried this deep conditioner before and didn't tell your girl, let me know in the comment section down below too, because this is like another level, you guys. This is my new favorite deep conditioner. I recommend it to your aunties, your uncles, your sisters-in-laws, your daughters, your nieces, your cousins. Like I recommend it to everybody. Alright, so I think I touched on everything I wanted to say. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section down below. And also, if there's any products that you guys would like for me to try out and review, leave it in the comment section down below and I will gladly do that for you guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the Bellamicia gang, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Thanks
and I'll see you in the next
watching.
one.
I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Wait, but in the next video, I'm gonna do Auntie's makeup.
Yes, she is.
Today?
No, not today. Definitely not today.